Hello everyone, welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. We're always doing videos for you guys on educational stuff and little mini crises that we go through here on the farmstead that I rarely have time just to walk through the garden with you guys and just let you visualize and see our vision come into fruition. It's a beautiful evening. The sun is fixing to set. We just had a very mild rain here at Starkey Farmstead. Just a beautiful little summer drizzle, just enough to kind of wet all the plants down. And I just wanted to give you guys a minute or two just to absorb what I absorb every day here on the farm. Looks like we'll be having corn soon. You can see that our yellow mustard cover crop is now dying out. It's basically going to seed, which is perfectly okay. I'm just gonna let it die where it is. In the fall, I will re-tarp this area. We have another row of corn coming up. We have some beautiful organic pumpkins. These are called Cinnamon Girl. These are used for cooking and canning, and I'm super excited about them. I can't wait to taste them. I heard they have an amazing flavor. You can see where the corn, where the deer have come in and helped themselves a few times. For the most part, it has bounced back quite nicely, and I'm not gonna worry over it. I will tell you guys what we have done is put the German Shepherd on a lead at the end of the garden back here. And so what happens is at night, he is able to alert the Dachshund to something being in the garden, and the Dachshund comes forward and runs them out of the garden without damaging any of the plants, being that he only weighs 17 pounds. My other option was to allow the 85-pound German Shepherd free range, but I opted not to do that. So where the pink bucket is right there, that's his water bowl. He's actually sleeping in that raised round bed right there. He dug all the flowers out to make himself comfy, and I'm okay with that. But I just wanted to show you guys how it's coming on. We do have some grass breakthrough, but as you can tell, I'm still working on getting this area covered again with the heavy mulch. The watermelon's coming up beautiful all the way down this line. Okra, tomatoes, bell peppers, corn, several different types of beans. All of that is coming up beautifully. I just wanted to let you guys soak in how beautiful it is here in the evenings, and to tell you how much it means to my husband and I that you guys are rowing in our boat and letting us row in yours. Thank you for watching Starkey Farmstead and enjoying the garden with me this evening. You guys have a blessed night.